CVM Crypto, a name that promises premium financial services and exceptional returns. But behind the glossy facade lies a dangerous trap, ensnaring unsuspecting investors in a web of deceit and fraud. CVM Crypto seduces victims with the allure of easy wealth through online trading. Their slick website and persuasive sales pitches paint a picture of success, but don't be fooled by the illusion. Countless individuals have fallen prey to CVM Crypto's deceptive tactics, losing their hard-earned money in the process. What starts as a promising investment opportunity quickly turns into a nightmare of financial ruin and despair. CVM Crypto operates with impunity, shielded by layers of anonymity and deceit. They manipulate markets, withhold withdrawals, and deceive investors with false promises, all while evading regulatory scrutiny. If you've been victimized by CVM Crypto, know that help is available. Our dedicated team specializes in assisting victims of financial fraud, providing the support and expertise needed to recover lost funds and seek justice. Don't let CVM Crypto continue to prey on innocent investors. Take action today and reclaim what's rightfully yours. Contact us now and join the fight against financial fraud.